heard Officer Nance start screaming that shots have been fired.
Your adrenaline starts going up a little bit. You hear shots fired, a policeman calling her out, so you figure, this is the real deal.
10-6-4, what's the next one? Shots fired out of the vehicle, knocked around, right as he drove by us. 31, what was the description on that again? A Chevy just blew by us going over the Detroit Superior Bridge. Going westbound. Use caution, occupants are armed.
Who were you riding with?
My partner that night was Mike Freeland.
Who was driving?
He was.
What channel were you guys on? Channel 2, sir.
Passengers very angry.
Pastor picks his left arm up over the headrest
And points like this. You can see, I asked you to do that. Yes.
Man's pointing a gun at the back window. He's pointing the gun out the back window. Hold up. She wants to make sure of the eye. The eye. The passenger's pointing a gun out the back window. The passenger's pointing a gun out the back window. Heading toward the highway. He's making the highway 90 feet.
Adrenaline going at that point. I looked down briefly, I was doing 120.
The chase went on, and everybody was yelling around the area to be careful.
At this point, there were some of his own cars there.
There was home cars that were next to me. I had stuff, caused some stuff in front of us. I ended up being like 10th with mine.
We just landed to a police car. Alright, they find seat to the zone car. Police car just hit. They're talking about something up in that front seat. Looks like the passengers now possibly load their weapons. Passengers possibly load their weapons. I'm in it.
They chased the car out of the city in City of East Cleveland. Eventually chased into a schoolyard parking lot. No escape.
Oh, that's why they blocked our streets off. The Route 66 is going down the road right now.
Oh, I see. Cool. So it won't be like a long-term thing. It's just temporary.
Yeah, I'm right here by the house. Where the lights are flashing. And the cop is directing traffic, letting all the cool cars go first.